frequent on YouTube. My ring light battery spoiled, and you know that this is Nigeria. Really? Stop now! I'm doing a video. This day confused. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Video Ogenerika Kimberly, and if it's your first time stopping by, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button down there. So guys, I am so excited to be back here on this platform, to be back on YouTube. I explained why I wasn't going to be frequent on YouTube, because my ring light battery went bad. And guys, this is Nigeria. We don't have lights. Like, it's hard to get lights. So, and I don't want to use the generator because of the noise and all those stuff. But guys, I am excited. I am back. I'm back for real. Please, ring light battery, do not destroy it again. Amen. So, without further ado, let's talk about what I am here for today. Well, I got some stuff from Jumia. Yeah, I got some stuff from Jumia. And I'm going to be showing you guys what I spent 23,550 naira to get. What 23,550 naira could get me on Jumia. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I got 5 packages from Jumia for 23,550. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Some of the boxes I opened because I was trying to understand why some of them were small. Meanwhile, in the site, in the app, Meanwhile, in the app, some of the things looked big. So when I saw these small boxes, I was like, what's happening now? But I had to open some of them to be sure of what they were giving to me, because I cannot spend money for rubbish. So let's open this one. I have a razor blade here. Let's see what we got here. This one costs 7,506 naira with shipping. So I got this Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream because I'm having some issues with my skin. So this is how it looks like. It's bigger than what I saw on the app, though. It's bigger. Let's open it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, I love the packaging. I saw it. It's cute. It's actually, it looks quite expensive. Let's see how it smells and feel like. It's actually hard to remove. Guys, it's hard to remove this up. It's hard to remove this thing here. I can't see. But it smells nice. It smells like vitamin C. It smells good. So there is this one. This one contains what does it contain? I think face cleanser and vitamin C serum. It came as a trial, so I decided to get the 3 of them as well. I had to get 3 of them at once instead. So this one is the facial cleanser. Let's open it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, this is small. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this small. In the app, it looked big. This is what you order versus what you get. It is small. Like, see? I think my palm is bigger than this shit. I don't think this thing is going to last for me, because my family members will use it. But anyhow, I'll hide them, make them not see them. Okay, this one is the face serum. I think compared to the other face serums, vitamin C face serums I have gotten before, this one is actually the biggest. They usually come very small. This one is bigger than the ones I have been getting. I'm not gonna lie. It looks bigger from the carton. It looks like it's going to be bigger. Yeah, it is actually bigger than all the ones I have been getting. It is big. It's going to last for me. So this is the 3 stuffs I got for 7,506 naira. This is what I got for 7,506 naira, including the shipping fee. Alone, it was 6,850 naira. I am excited for these things. I'm going to try them. If it works, I'm going to tell you guys. Let's open the next package. Okay, guys, I didn't tell you. Let me gist you. When I was in Caritas, before Caritas went on break, before I left school, I was weighing 67 pounds. Right? I was weighing 67 kilograms. Now, drum roll, please. I weigh 80. I weigh 80 now. So I decided to get this supplement since I started working out, trying to lose some weight. I decided to get this supplement, and this is even the main thing that made me open all these boxes, because I thought it was going to look like those what do they call it again? There's a name they call those stuff, those protein shakes that are usually very big. I thought it was going to be like that. So when they gave me the boxes, I was looking at where's the big one now? Where's the big one? And this is what I got. It is small. It looks big on the. I'm going to keep stressing this thing. It looks big on the app. Like, why do they do that thing? What you order versus what you get? And they said it's 47s. This better serve me 47s. I'm going to give it. Anyhow, I'm going to check it. I'm going to check it out and know if it's nice. They said it's supposed to make you feel full and supposed to give you energy and also make you lose weight. It's a dietary supplement. Inferno Legendary Labs. It's a dietary supplement, 47s. I'm going to try this. It's let me see if it has calories. I don't think it has. I think it has 0 calories. I think that's 0 calories. Yeah. Daily value based on a 2,000 calorie diet. There is no calorie here. No calories actually shown written here, but it said it is based on a 2,000 calorie diet. So it's an Inferno Lab, blah blah blah. And I got this one for, I think I got it 6,000. I got this one for 6,000 naira, and the shipping fee is 550 naira. So together it's 6,550 naira for this mountain. Now God will help us. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is in. It's the power bank. My power bank went bad, so I said to order. This was on sale. This was on sale for 2,000 naira. I'd be 3,000 naira. Yes, it was okay. It was on sale for 1,980 naira, and it was a 12,000 mAh. So I had to grab the opportunity to get it, because where can you get 12,000 mAh for 1,980 naira? My dear, you know that's a steal. My dear, you know you can never get the 12,000 mAh power bank for 1,980 naira. It was a steal, and you know your girl got to grab it. I had to grab it sharp like this. It was even, they were even timing me to buy the thing. I had to sharp buy it. Let's see how it looks like. It's not big for 12,000. Okay, this is how it looks like. It has 2 connection ports here. You can connect your USB, and output 1. I think they are both. They have the same outputs. The outputs are 1.5 volts to over 2.1 amperes. Capacity 12,000 mAh. Input 2.1A. So it should charge your phone. If your phone is like 3,500 mAh, you should charge it like 3,500 plus 3,500, that's 7,000. Charging like 3 times full. Next on the list is guys, I am not gonna lie, this shit worked for me. This thing worked for me when I was using it. This is my go-to Palmer Skin Success Medicated Acne Toner. When I stopped using this thing, that is how all of these pimples on my head started coming out. They were just like, okay, let's come on, let's start destroying. But now it's back, and you all gotta go. Shit like this, but when I don't take off my face, my forehead becomes another zone entirely because of the pimples. Like, I'm sure you can see it from where you are right now. You can see it. I got this for 3,400 plus the shipping fee, which made it 4,056 naira. So I got this Skin Success Medicated Acne Toner. This is my holy grail. It works perfectly for me, and it also smells like spirit, methylated spirit. This is the last one. This is the last one. Let's open it. I've not opened this one still, but I don't know how it looks like. Let's open it and see. I actually ordered this shoe. This is a shoe, yes. I actually ordered this one in a size bigger than me because anytime I go jogging, my shoe size is always making my feet pain me. Feet start hurting. I got this shoe for 2,390 naira plus shipping fee, which is 550 naira, for 2,940 naira. It's a men's sport wild low top canvas shoe. Let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah, the power bank came with this cord. Packaging. Okay. Okay, this is actually nice. Though it looks small, like it's not going to fit me. And I got this in 43. But it's nice. It looks like it's going to be a breathable shoe. Like when I go jogging with it, I'm going to be actually comfortable in it. But it looks small. That is the issue. It looks small. Hi guys, so I'm editing the video now and I tested the shoe. I wore the shoe, I used it to jog and it was my perfect size and it was actually very breathable. So I just want to tell you guys that I wear 41. I got this in 2 sizes bigger, 43. This is how 43 looks like. Though it feels, the sole is kind of strong. It's bendable though. But it's nice. And this is the other leg. It's actually quite good for 2,390 naira, Abby. Where did I get this again? Yeah, 2,390 naira. It's actually quite alright for that price. Well, that's it. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, which is giving the thumbs up obviously, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification down there to get notified when I post new videos. Bye, and until next time, have a great day.